Hey there, it's Kelly Donahue Piro, your favorite industry best friend. Well, I'm here to let you know that you've done something great for your agency by joining and listening in on our podcast or watching our YouTube channel. I just want to remind everybody that we're here to help. So if you need anything, drop a comment, go to our website, hang out with our chat, or just contact us. There's a problem in your agency, I got solutions, right? I like to think of it, you got a problem, I'll solve it. But let's get into the content today so that you can improve your awareness and knowledge of solutions that exist to the agency's core challenges. Great training is awareness. I can be aware that I shouldn't eat pizza, I should eat the salad. But at the end of the day, if I keep eating the pizza, I'm aware of it, but I'm not making any changes or actions. We all want rock star service, right? Service is the heartbeat of the whole agency. And when you give great service, number one, you feel good, your customers feel good, and you actually go ahead and get so many more referrals. I have told people that one pet project I'd love to do someday is buy an agency. Buy an agency, and this is what I would do. I would close it down, no new business, and I would work the book for 1.5 to 2 years. Cross-sell it, get referrals, earn their trust, train the team, endorsement process, claims process, everything would be customer experience to the nines. I would probably find a lot of people and train them on insurance, train them on coverages. It would be like an elite squad of just baddies. And then I would rebrand and reopen up in 2 years and then go really work my referrals, go out in the community and just be very present. And the key to all of this, though, is you have to start with that foundational where everybody thinks the way I think. When someone calls in, they're a delight. They're not a burden. When somebody wants to get a payment, we're like, hey, you want to know what? You're getting charged a fee to pay this way. Let's do it. They have good personalities. They're warm. They're welcoming. It's not when someone calls in to change a vehicle, year, make, model. But I think in order to do that, it really starts with your vision and then really working to build your processes, make sure you have the right people and that the right people are trained at the end of the day on how to do. But then leadership comes into play. And this is such a missing piece. I think so many agencies want to buy training to fix a problem. Great training is awareness. I can be aware that I shouldn't eat pizza, I should eat the salad. But at the end of the day, if I keep eating the pizza, I'm aware of it, but I'm not making any changes or actions. Leadership is the point that comes in and provides that feedback so that you guys are always in a good alignment. What are the expectations? What's the scorecard? What's the KPI? How do we really make this work for everybody? And without that piece, that coaching piece, that leadership piece, and I say leadership more than coaching because a coach doesn't have the authority necessarily to hold someone accountable, but that leader does. And, there should be times that you have bonuses that are different. And there should be accountability. If somebody doesn't hit the mark, they need to be talked to about it and coached. And coaching does not mean that we fire them. Coaching means we help them improve. And if somebody is not strong enough to have that coaching, you got to figure out if they're a good fit for your culture, right? So it's a long process, but if you could design everything the way you want, and this is something I hear from agencies all the time, what if I just go buy an agency, we do that, Cal, and we just leave this one going? I'm like, that sounds great. But you know what? That's also not the easiest path. If you reimagined it and you got very invested and very excited and freed yourself up, you might have a whole different trajectory. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. It is so fun giving you guys tips and tricks every single, week out there. Remember, you can find us on social media for updates. You can like or comment on this podcast or video, and we're here for you. And check out our website. There's a ton of tools. We have over 1,000 blogs on our website. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. You can search and find answers to your top questions. But also, if you need a little bit more help, you want a best friend that's there cheerleading for you, giving you the guidance that you need, and being there on some of those tough days, let us know. We'd love to meet your agency and learn if we're a good fit. All right, signing off. Go sell insurance.